one, sir. So Alicia Kim is a digital content creator who, despite public criticism, has been very transparent and candid about her marriage to her husband. He is several years her senior. If y'all have a problem with that, that's y'all business. Yeah. And she joins us now via Zoom to tell us how she found love in an age gap relationship. Hi, Alicia. Hi. Good morning.
Good morning, Simone and Janella. Be good.
You are beaming. You are glowing.
Thank you.
Is that love you're wearing, girl?
Oh, it's love.
We need more
How
of
did
that.
you guys meet, Alicia?
So, thank you guys for having me on the program this morning. We met through a family member. So, my husband was in Jamaica on vacation. My cousin gave him my number. And then when he came back to the States, he texted me on a good old WhatsApp. And we hit it off, but we didn't meet in person until 3 months after that.
Okay.
So,
Did it matter to you his age? Have you ever been that type of person who, my dream guy or my husband should be 2 years older or 2 years younger than me? Did it matter any at all?
Janella, let me tell you, initially earlier on, I did have, us girls have our list of what we're looking for.
Right.
But let me tell you, when I met my husband, all that went through the window because all I felt was love, admiration, somebody that saw me and cared for me. So the age didn't play a factor at all.
And he's how many years your senior again?
37.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
37.
So tell me what that's like navigating that. So you're based in the US, you meet this man, you meet him 3 months later, you feel something that you know is love, but then you have the very practical, like day-to-day happenings, occurrences in the relationship. Tell me what the difference in age, how did you navigate that part of it when it came to day-to-day?
So I was in Jamaica. He lived in America. So we were long distance, getting to know each other over the phone. But to be honest, the age did not play a factor. But what I'll say, when we initially met, we would send songs back and forth. So I would send him like a Beyonce, and he would send me like a Patti LaBelle. We saw it play out in that way. But other than that, it was just, I don't know.
What about common interests?
Right.
Did you have interests in common? I mean, 37 years is a big gap.
I love that question because people think they can get me, like they can't have nothing in common. But let me tell you, we love, or the core of us, we are family oriented, we are goal oriented, business minded. Listen, when I met my husband, Simone, we weren't asking what's your favorite color. We were asking, where do you see yourself in 5 years? What are your dreams?
Hey, what are your values?
I want to jump in here. How do you deal with criticisms that, she's just looking a green card, she just wants a sugar daddy, somebody to take care of her? How did you deal with these criticisms?
So initially, to be honest, it was very hard to see people saying that, especially knowing that it's not true. I was more worried about him believing it, but he didn't. And even now, being on social media, I see it every day that I'm just a gold digger, I'm just a money grabber. But we know that it's not true. So we see the negativity, but we don't let it consume us, because we know our truth.
How did his family relate to you? Does he have children?
And you to his.
And you to his.
He has all children that are older than I am, and they were all very receptive. Even if they had their doubts, they never brought it to us. And actually, when we got engaged, when we met in June 2018, and he came to Jamaica to engage to me, his 2 sisters surprised him and booked a trip to come to our engagement. So that really showed how much the family was for it and for our union,
Alicia,
So
why
that
did
was
you decide to share it in social? Because you knew you were opening yourself up to criticism,
Right.
which invariably came. Why did you decide you wanted to put it out there?
Because Simone, initially I was worried, but after I thought we had a love that deserves to be shared. If my husband was my age, I would share it, right? Nobody would care.
Yeah.
So because he's 37 years old, I shouldn't share my love. I shouldn't show my happiness. So I put it out there. Who like it, who don't, hey.
And has it been more negative feedback than positive? Not that it matters, because you're doing your thing anyway, but I'm curious.
It's been a lot of negativity, but can I tell you, my crew is the big up crew, and they have loved on us, they've nurtured us, and you even have some people that initially were negative, and then by watching us, they're like, I like that couple here. You know, them have a thing going on, and they come over to the positive side. So,
what advice would you give for young ladies or young men who probably they're in love with somebody 37 years their age or maybe more? What advice would you have for them?
I would say live for you, because you have one life to live. All of us have one. Your mommy have a life, your daddy have a life, Simone, Janella, everybody have a life. So live for you. Do what makes you happy and just block out the outside noise out of your relationship.
Yeah. So you've been married for how long now, Alicia?
We've been together 5 years and married for 4 years.
Oh, and how are things going? Tell me some of the challenges, because there must have been some, or there must be some. Some of the high points and some of the challenges in navigating your relationship. I don't think that'd be any different from any other relationship, no?
You hit it right on the head, Simone. So we were long distance, and now we are living together in America for the first time. So bumping head, probably. He has his routine here in America. I came here with a routine. So we both head over. For example, we have different sleeping patterns. He wants to sleep. I'm not ready. I'm tossing and turning in the bed. And we both heads over normal relationship things. Normal things,
And what is that one thing you absolutely love about your husband?
I love how he cares for people in general. I love that he is so health conscious. My husband is 37 years my senior, and he's not taking not one medication. He's healthy. And I have to give him props for that. His channel is Boo Lifestyle, so check it out. He's a
look at you. Look at you doing the wifely duties. Right? His channel is what? Boo Lifestyle. Okay. And yours is what now, if people want to follow along on your journey?
Right.
Yes, guys, please follow me on YouTube. It's Alicia Kim. My Instagram is _Alicia. _Kim.
And how much of your relationship now do you share? Having shared the main announcement, do you let us into more of the relationship, or are you kind of holding it close to your chest?
No, we share our day-to-day life. So we do vlogging, and you get to see us cooking, doing regular relationship stuff. And we also do a bit of pranking, so you get to laugh and see us on a more jovial side. So, yeah.
Gosh. So is this something, Alicia, you would have seen yourself doing like 10 years ago? Have you surprised yourself?
I have surprised myself. I have. Starting this YouTube journey, I didn't know it would have led to this, but I'm just embracing it all. I'm thanking God for it all and just welcoming all the positivity of it all.
And she sounds so happy and bubbly. I mean, this is love. Look at what love is doing to you.
Yeah. The lesson everybody is don't watch nobody, watch yourself.
Yes. Love has no age.
Love has no age. Love has no limit. Love has no boundaries.
Yes. That is it.
That makes you happy. Yeah. Oh gosh. So nice to talk to you this morning, lady. Please tell him we said hi. Why he not here?
Yes.
We can't say hi to him.
Hubby is behind the camera. You want to say hi, baby?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Come here quickly.
Come, Mr. Boo Lifestyle. Give us a wave. Give us a wave. Give us a wave, hubby. Give us a wave. Hey, how are you? All right, Alicia, we know, you don't have to hug him up. We know, says yours. Take time. Is she a good wife, Mr. Hubby? What's your hubby's name?
They call him Boo.
Okay.
Okay, Boo.
Is Alicia a good wife?
Real good wife. I wouldn't trade her for nothing.
Aww, you guys.
That is so
killing
cool.
us. So nice to meet you both. Thank you for sharing this part of your life with us this morning.
You're welcome. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, man, no worries. Digital content creator Alicia Kim and her boo
Yeah.
Because
her
she not
food.
say we win. And this I say you stay there, me not give him name, when I go on with him.
Yes.
Oh boy, isn't that lovely?
I love it.
Love is lovely. So good loving somebody when somebody loves you back.
Yeah.
Girl talk is next, everybody.
Simone.